Hello. In this video, I am going to talk about Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem applies only on the right angle triangle. As you can see, I have drew an right angle triangle which is A, B, and C. And this is the right angle right here at C. So angle opposite to the right, the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, and that is the longest side. And the other sides are called leg. And then if you notice that the side opposite to angle A is called A, the side opposite to angle B is called B, and the side opposite to angle C is called C. So the side lengths are denoted by small letters A, B, and C. So sides A and B are called the legs of the triangle. Now the Pythagorean theorem tells us to find the value of C, that there is a relationship between the three sides, which I can write it here, which is C square equal to A square plus B square. So if any two values are given, we can find the third one by using this formula. So let's do an example. So where A is given as 4, B is 7. A equal to 4 and B equal to 7, we are asked to find the value of C. So this is pretty simple. You have to plug in the value of B, A and B into the formula to find C. So let me rewrite the formula and plug in the values. So A is 4, I write 4 square plus B is 7, so 7 square. So then 4 square is 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 7 square is 7 times 7 is 49. 65. So C square equal to 65. Now if we want to get C, we have to take a square root of both sides. So take a square root here and take a square root of here. So then we have C equal to, so it is 8.06. 8.06. So it depends on the situation. In the question, the teacher will ask you to round it to a certain places of decimal point. But in this case, as I get a whole number, so C is equal to 8, we can say, if they're not asking you to round it to certain decimal place. But normally, if they ask you to round it, you have to follow the instruction actually. So let's do another problem where we are given B equal to 5 and C equal to 20. And we are looking to find the value of A. So let's write down the formula first, which is C square equal to A square plus B square. Now let's plug in the values. C is given 20, so I write 20 square equal to A is missing, so we are trying to find out the value of A. A square plus B square is 5 square. So 20 square is 400. Is 20 times 20 equal to A square plus 5 times 5 is 25. Now we can write the right hand side to the left hand side because we are looking for the a. So I'm writing the term containing a to the left hand side. So rewriting this, a square plus 25 equal to 400. Now I have to subtract 25 from both sides to isolate a square. So let's do that. So a square equal to 400 minus 25. So I am moving this 25 to the right hand side by switching its sign. So a square equal to 375. So now if I take a square root on both sides, then I can get a by itself. So by using the calculator, I got a equal to 19.3649. 3649. So if depending on the question where they want you to round it, if there is nothing, so normally you should round to the nearest 100th place, meaning 2 places after the decimal. So I will round it to 2 places. 19.36 is the answer. Let's look at another question which is given c equal to 6. Same kind of question. And a equal to 2 radical 5. And the question is asking to find b equal to what? Okay, so same thing, we write down the formula and then plug in the values. So here my c is 6, so I am writing 6 squared equal to, so 2 radical 5, I write it underneath under a parenthesis so that I don't mess up with the square, plus b square. So here 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36, equal to 2 times 2 is 4. And this radical and 2 cancels each other. So we have 5 only, plus b square. So 36 equal to 4 times 5 is 20 plus b square. We can rewrite it, bringing the left hand side to the right, so that my b is to the left hand side. (20 plus b square equal to 36). So what I am doing, I am just switching the sides so that my unknown is to my left hand side. So now I can subtract 20 from both sides, or in other words, I can move 20 to the right hand side by switching its sign. So same thing actually, whatever way you feel comfortable, you can do that. So this 20 and 20 cancels. I have b square equal to 16. So again, we are going to take a square root from both sides to get the value of b. So b equal to 4. So this is my final answer. Thank you for watching.